Rising high above the heart of Java, she stands. Mount Merapi, the mountain of fire. For centuries, this sacred volcano has watched over the landscape, veiled in mist and steeped in legend. It is a place where the raw power of the earth breathes. But don't let the stillness fool you. Beneath her serene emerald slopes lies a restless yet beating heart. Today, the ash and lava of yesterday have paved the way for thrilling adventures. Feel the adrenaline as you navigate the rugged terrain, exploring the echoes of the mountain's fiery history. Merapi is more than just a destination. She is a living, breathing spirit, deeply woven into the local culture. Here, the soil is incredibly rich, the communities are resilient, and every path tells a story of both destruction and rebirth.